In today's video, I'm going to teach you about understanding and managing your Amazon public profile settings. You may have been wondering how you can tweak your Amazon profile URL, but it's vital to note right off the bat that changing your base public profile URL is simply not an option. This URL, which might look something like http www.amazon.com gp profile amzn1.account. Your unique ID includes a unique identifier that is fixed and directly tied to your Amazon account. So, no matter what other changes you make to your profile, that underlying URL remains constant. However, there's good news. While you can't alter the URL itself, there are still significant elements of your public profile that you can customize. These changes, though often mistaken for modifications to the URL, can still redefine how others perceive your account. First up is your public name. This is what people see on your profile, and alongside any reviews or contributions you make on Amazon. Whether you want to use your real name, a nickname, or a pen name, you have the flexibility to change this quite easily. The process is straightforward. Simply head over to your Amazon profile settings and make the desired adjustments. Once updated, any activity you engage in on the platform will be reflected under this chosen name. Next, let's talk about your bio, often referred to as the About section on your Amazon profile. This space is yours to edit, allowing you to add a personal touch to your public presence on the site. On the Edit Public Profile page, you have the opportunity to share more about yourself, including details like your location, personal website, and any other pertinent information you'd like to display. Personalizing your bio can give other users a better glimpse of who you are, potentially fostering connections based on shared interests or expertise. While these changes won't affect the primary URL associated with your profile, they're crucial for tailoring your Amazon presence to reflect your personal brand or lifestyle accurately. Remember, this part of your Amazon identity can influence how other users perceive you, making it an essential tool for shaping public interactions on the platform. To sum it up, although your Amazon profile URL is fixed, you have significant control over the more visible elements, like your public name and bio. These allow you to customize how your profile appears to others on Amazon. So next time you're looking to make your presence truly yours, don't focus on the URL. Focus on the elements you can freely edit and personalize. By doing so, you ensure that your Amazon profile aligns well with your personality or brand, while providing a more engaging and relatable experience for other Amazon users who come across your profile.